Home Canning, Guide 3. Selecting, Preparing, and Canning Tomatoes and Tomato Products. Guide 3 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on selecting, preparing, and canning tomatoes and tomato products. It's crucial to select only disease-free, preferably vine-ripened, firm fruit for canning. Do not can tomatoes from dead or frost-killed vines. Green tomatoes, however, are more acidic than ripened fruit and can be canned safely using these recommendations. To ensure safe acidity in whole, crushed, or juiced tomatoes, add 2 tablespoons of bottled lemon juice or half teaspoon of citric acid per quart of tomatoes. For pints, use 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. Acid can be added directly to the jars before filling with product. You can add sugar to offset the acid taste, if desired. 4 tablespoons of 5% acidity vinegar per quart may also be used, but may cause undesirable flavor changes. This guide provides detailed instructions for canning various tomato products including tomato juice. To prevent separation, quickly cut about 1 pound of fruit into quarters and put directly into saucepan. Heat immediately to boiling while crushing. Tomato and vegetable juice blend. Add no more than 3 cups of any combination of finely chopped celery, onions, carrots, and peppers for each 22 pounds of tomatoes. Crush tomatoes, with no added liquid. Dip tomatoes in boiling water for 30 to 60 seconds to remove skins. Standard tomato sauce. Simmer in large diameter saucepan until sauce reaches desired consistency. Boil until volume is reduced by about 1/3 for thin sauce, or by 1/2 for thick sauce. Whole or half tomatoes packed in water, tomato juice, or packed raw without added liquid. The guide also includes recipes for tomatoes with okra or zucchini, tomatillos, spaghetti sauce, with and without meat, Mexican tomato sauce, easy hot sauce, cayenne pepper sauce, tomato ketchup, and country western ketchup. Additionally, there are instructions for making various salsas, including chili salsa, tomato salsa, using paste tomatoes and slicing tomatoes, tomato/tomato paste salsa, and tomato taco sauce. It is important that ingredients be carefully measured and that the salsas be made as described to be processed safely in a boiling water canner. When a procedure offers both boiling water and pressure canning options, all steps in the preparation are still required even if the pressure processing option is chosen. This includes acidification. Use of a pressure canner will result in higher quality and more nutritious canned tomato products. Always leave the correct headspace when filling jars and remove air bubbles. By following the guidelines in this guide, you can create safe and delicious canned tomato products to enjoy all year round. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!